Okay, so we don't need to waste the time anymore. Let's welcome our guest speakers. So hello, Mr. Semyan.
Hello everybody. My name is Komea. I'm a student at PUC, and today I'm very happy to be the guest for this show.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. So as we see nowadays, that traffic system in Cambodia is also an issue that people face almost everywhere. What do you think around the problem?
Based on my view, I can see that the traffic in Cambodia, especially in Phnom Penh, is very hard to drive to anywhere. Example, like from here to my home, if there is no traffic jam, I take almost 20 minutes. But with traffic jam, I need to spend around 1 hour to get to home. So it's very long time to spend.
Yes, 6 years. What are the major factors that can lead the traffic jam?
The main factor for the traffic jam is that people don't obey the law, and another one is that people don't respect each other. Example like when there is a traffic light and their turn is not is the red, but they still go straight. So it's make other people can go straight too. So it means that people not respect each other.
Number 3, but as we know that the law already is, but why do people still against it?
Yes. For this point, I think that because the traffic law is not effective, and people think that if there is no policeman on the corner or somewhere around the traffic light, they don't respect the law because they think that the law is just the law, not what people need to obey. Yes.
So that last one is based on your perspective. It can be the solution for the people in order in obey and follow together.
Say for the question, there are two perspectives for me. One for government and another one for citizen. So I talk about citizen first. The citizen need to they have their it means that they need to have their individual thinking that they need to obey the law, and they need to respect the law, and they need to pay attention to the accident that always that happen in Cambodia, that everywhere they have accident. So if we don't obey the law, we can one time is our accident too. And to the government, they need to strict the law and already omit, and they need to pay attention on which factor that need to strike on to strict on that law. That's all.
Thank you so much for our practicing today. And before the talk show come to an end, we also thank to all you guys for keeping attention today. So please participate together in order to avoid and reduce traffic. Thank you.